Buenas, buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. Today we are in Bergen County, Little Ferry, New Jersey. So we have one roof bent. For some reason the cap is missing, so no cap, and the homeowner, they get some water leaking due to the roof vent has no cap. So we have our new aluminum roof vents to be installed on this section. So Three Brothers Roofing ongoing with the project. We remove the shingle around, and now good to go removing the old vents. All right, and so this hole, it looked like was a power roof vent before, because this the hole is a little bit large. All right, but we're gonna replace with roof vents because that's what it was there. That's what we're gonna install. So Three Brothers Roofing ongoing with our project. Okay, so right now we just installed our first shingle. All right, and usually this shingle should go all the way up under the vents, and then we will let's say, and then we install the vents. All right, so yeah, we are ongoing with our project with the roof vents replacement. So after we installed the roof vents, install a few shingle around, and now we are implementing some caulking on the top and the side, so the shingle will seal 100% and no leaking. All right, so right here we're gonna install the last piece on this section. All right, and good to go. Okay, so before, after Three Brothers Roofing. So this project was for roof vent leak repair. So it's replaced and nice, clean, good to go. All right, so another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing company. See you guys next time. Chop chop.